What's happening, guys? I'm Dan. Welcome back to another Tesla talk, guys. I'm gonna crack one, sit down with you guys very briefly. I've had a couple people asking for these videos. I know the vast majority of you guys don't care about these things, but since it was requested, I was gonna chat about it very quickly and briefly as I can. I'm gonna do it on the fly, guys. So again, I had some people asking me about where my mind is with Tesla as things have changed so rapidly as of late. And my answer to that is my mindset has not changed whatsoever. My conviction remains the exact same, if not stronger, guys. If you're new at investing, we go through these periods of consolidation with Tesla. So I guess specifically Tesla. We go through these long, sometimes very long periods of consolidation and downward pressure. Elon, as you know if you're watching this video, has been selling off his shares. It was something designed to happen from 2012, guys. It was a compensation plan. He exceeded all expectations in the company. The company's gone up thousands of percent since its IPO. I mean, like literally 2,500, maybe more, I don't know, percent. Elon's dreams were always for that to occur, obviously. Not specifically the stock price, but the value of the company, because he single-handedly, with the massive team he's built, is driving that stock value up because he's changing the world. He's literally single-handedly changing the world with all the companies that he's brought to fruition, guys. The Boring Company, Tunnel Company, SpaceX, Tesla, many others. He's got others, guys. Starlink, whatever you want to say. My conviction in Elon Musk and Tesla remains unchanged, guys. He clearly was selling shares because he had to pay for taxes. Taxes. He's going to pay over $11 billion in taxes this year. No billionaire, no person has ever done that in history in 1 year. Nobody. What the mass media does not comprehend is that when he is done with these selling of shares, he will actually own more of the company, guys. He is going to have like over 1 million more shares than when he started because he's exercising his options. Again, a compensation plan from 2012. He needs to exercise these options. He gets very cheap shares, let's put it that way. He buys back shares very cheaply, like $6, whatever. That being said, he's going to own more of the company. That is bullish in itself, guys. He's doing this for tax purposes, and what has changed in the company's fundamentals? Nothing. We are still on pace for 50+% growth every single year. We are on the brink of 2 gigafactories opening, guys. You're seeing massive macro weakness because of the illness, okay? We know what illness we're talking about. Whatever name you want to call it, there's different names, okay? The newest one starts with an O. There's a lot of downward pressure in the market. I'm very bullish, guys. Even if there is a crash, okay? Even if your mind is long-term, you do not have to worry. Tesla will eventually rebound. It does not matter. It does not matter. We have terrible periods of no growth. 16, 17, 18, 19 in Tesla where it barely went up. Yes, moments of increasing. Almost flat all that time. 2020, 900% growth. Boom, it finally happened. 2021, we saw a lot of downward pressure from February to May. And then a gamma squeeze to $1,250. And now we're seeing downward pressure. And I talked about this in my other video, that we could revisit the 700s and 800s. We did get to the 800s. Do I think we're going to drop lower? Unless there's a massive crash or some kind of terrible volatility, even more so than we've been experiencing, I think that was the bottom. I think that was the bottom, guys. $800 is a bargain. $890 is a bargain. $900, $1,000, those are all bargains. I bought shares in the thousands. I bought shares at $9.90. I bought shares at $800 last January. It's all a bargain if you're looking long term. These were great buying opportunities. If you didn't take advantage of that, you're going to be the same guy regretting the growth that occurs for the next 5 years going, I wish I would have. I wish I would have. Just do it, guys. If you are bullish in the company, do it. Don't listen to anybody else. If you've done your research and your due diligence, you have nothing to prove to yourself. You've already figured it out. If that's what you want to do, do it. I remain bullish. I remain bullish. Back to the gigafactories. Massive factories on the cusp of opening, guys. We're talking about massive growth. Unmatched growth in the EV sector. These guys are going to dominate. Don't get me going on autonomous driving. Don't get me going on 4680 cell production. Guys, insurance. I could go on forever. There's so many other categories, but if you want to just go off EVs, these guys are crushing it. Crushing it. We're gonna deliver over 900,000 cars this year, guys. They did 499,000 last year. We're gonna go to at least 900,000. I will be disappointed if we don't get to 900,000, and that's tough to do, guys, to grow like that. I'm disappointed if we don't get over 900,000. I'm gonna predict like 914,000 is my estimate right now. Obviously, if the factory's open, that changes. But guys, Gigatex is going to be the biggest auto manufacturing company, or not company, facility in the world. Wrap your mind around that. Just Giga Texas alone is going to be the largest factory for manufacturing cars in the world. Giga Berlin, next level technology, next level manufacturing processes. Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed in Tesla. I think we're through the worst of it. I think we've already faced that slight correction from 1250 to the 800s today. I was going to do this video last week, and I still would have said the same thing. I think we're close to the bottom. I think we're close to the bottom. And if we're not, buy, or hold. Do not sell at the bottom. Do not do that, guys. You buy low and you sell high. Anybody can tell you that who's been investing. My conviction's unchanged on Tesla. It's unchanged. This thing is taking off very shortly here, guys. We're already like back in the 930s after hours today. Elon, he's probably done selling for the year, and if that's confirmed, you think tomorrow's going to be a red day? Because I don't. I don't. Again, unless there's serious macro weakness, guys, just strap in. Saddle up. You might experience some bumps with Tesla. That's just the nature of the game. You just hold and buy when you can when it's low. That's just what you do. If you want to stay in this company. If you're looking to 2025 or beyond, do you think that Tesla will be worth more or less than $950 in 5 more years? Or let's just say 2 years, 1 year. You tell me. You tell me. As far as other manufacturers in electric vehicle sectors, NIO's number 2. I have a video on NIO. I haven't released it yet because I don't like the content all the way through. But NIO is my number 2 pick, guys, for the best EV manufacturer in the world. Second to Tesla is NIO out of China. Watch out for China. You watch out. They're destroying Lucid and Rivian. They're in another level, guys. They're on another level. NIO's my second pick. Tesla's my first and will remain my first. So much vertical integration, so many sectors they're going to disrupt. They are disrupting them. You just wait. It's been a Tesla talk, guys. Hope this clears some things up. If you hated it, I'm sorry. The people are asking me, guys. So I'm Dan. I'm over now. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.